Most organizations lack the resources to regularly run access reviews and need to rely on security consultants' risk assessment services. Many companies still use manual methods like Excel, but it leaves room for errors and increasing the risk of data breaches. User access reviews are essential, but can often feel like an endless task, chasing down managers, compiling reports, and staying compliant. With the rise of AI-powered tools like TheFence, automating this process is now a game changer. TheFence UAR Plus streamlines the traditionally manual and error-prone user access review process, reducing time, effort, while ensuring continuous audit-ready compliance with regulations like SOX, PCI, or NIS2. TheFence UAR Plus supports line managers and data owners in making informed decisions without distracting them from their revenue-generating activities. Now, you'll learn how to use TheFence's UAR. It is no sweat. When we log into TheFence, we can start a new UAR process by selecting the integrated systems to include and importing HR and organizational data via API or CSV if no HR connection exists. With seamless integration, user and access data can be automatically imported or manually uploaded in CSV format. The system cleans and prepares data, filling in missing details. Once ready, review requests are sent to data owners for approval. The process is initiated with a single click, allowing the roles owned by the users to be viewed. Managers can decide whether to approve or revoke access rights or choose to use the AI proposal. Bulk decision-making is available to ease the review process of massive systems, in case of app-specific reviews. All good? The process is completed and the results can be viewed on the summary page. If everything checks out, wrap up the process and see a summary of all decisions made. TheFence UAR Plus is a user-friendly, intuitive, and effortlessly simple-to-use software. It offers a range of benefits, including automation and efficiency, AI-driven recommendations, seamless data integration, regulatory compliance, risk management, and robust company security. Defend your digital assets with TheFence. We are here to help you and your company. Contact us and book a demo.